Hey kids and fellow gamers, today we'll be teaching you about sarcomeres in the muscles.
Muscle fibers are made out of many sarcomeres.
There are four main parts to the sarcomere, which are the thin filament, thick filament, H-band, and Z-disc.
The thin filament is the thin part of the sarcomere that surrounds the thick filament. The thick filament is the thickest part and is in the middle of the sarcomere. The H-zone is the distance between the ends of the sarcomere, and the Z-disc is the ends of the sarcomere that hold it together.
Time to introduce the sliding filament theory. The sliding filament theory is the idea that the myosin heads on the thick filament tug on both sides of the thin filament that surround it. This shrinks the area between the thin filaments, called the H-zone, making the filaments slide past each other.
In this model, the piston is the thick filament, and the thin filament is the cylinder the piston passes through. When the piston enters the engine block, it resembles the compression of the thin filament.
The reason we chose the piston to represent the sliding filament theory is because when the piston exerts force towards the cylinder, it represents the contraction of the thick filament.
And when the piston is relaxed and retracting, it represents the thick filament relaxing and returning to its original place.